Yeah, hello everyone. So today we are going to start our NEET coaching, 1 week under the chemistry and physics subjects. And myself, I'm Hashini. I have done my master's in organic chemistry in Mirabutur college, and I'm running my tuition center and as well as a coaching center newly, and I'm taking coaching for NEET and CSI net as well as JEE, and yeah, so we are going to start with this. Yeah. Next, welcome to this Charvi Tuition Center. So we are going to see what is the foundation courses for the NEET UG. So this is just a slogan where you can achieve your dream, motivational thoughts. That's it. Yeah. So we are going to see the syllabus of the chemistry for the NEET particularly. So module 1 will be physical chemistry foundation. In that we will be seeing mole concepts, stoichiometry, atomic structure, chemical bonding, states of matter. In this we will be seeing gas laws and kinetic theory and thermodynamics, thermochemistry, equilibrium. These are the foundation in the physical chemistry part, and as well as it's continued with ionic equilibrium, redox reactions, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, surface chemistry, solutions, and solid state. These and all the topics we will be going to cover under physical chemistry foundation part. And the module 2 is inorganic chemistry. In this, the main thing we are going to see is the periodic chemistry, which is important for all over this chemistry part. And next we are going to see classification of elements, periodic table, periodic properties, and S block, P block, D block, and F block elements. And in all the blocks we will be seeing each group separately and its characteristics, explanation, everything. And we are going to see the transition and intertransition elements, that is D and F block. And in advanced inorganic chemistry means the coordination compounds, metallurgy, and qualitative analysis as well. This will comes under the practical chemistry. So these are the topics we are going to cover in inorganic part. And we are going to cover in organic chemistry foundations. GOC means general organic chemistry, electronic effects, resonance, inductive effect, hyperconjugation, acidity, and basicity. These are the subtopics we are going to cover in this main topic of general organic chemistry. And another one is isomerism, structural and stereoisomerism. And then the third main topic is reaction mechanism. In that the subtopics are carbocation, carbanion, free radical, electrophile, and nucleophile. And also we are going to see the purification and characterization of organic compounds. So these are the topics we are going to cover in organic chemistry foundation. And next we have the final module 4, that is hydrocarbon chemistry. So in this we are going to see alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, and aromatic hydrocarbons. Yeah. So next, the module 5 is functional group chemistry. So in this, we will be seeing all the functional groups, what its characters, how it will behave. These are the things we are going to see. And next is biomolecules and applied chemistry. In this, we are going to combine the biologic and the molecular topic inside this, and we are going to see the polymers and everyday life, the chemistry and the practical chemistry also. So that's all we are going to see in this. Yeah. So we are done with the chemistry syllabus of the NEET coaching of UG 2026-2027. And next we are going to see the physics syllabus in the NEET. So module 1 is mathematical tools and basics. In this we are going to see units and measurements, error analysis, vectors, basic mathematics for physics. So next the module 2. So in this we are going to cover the mechanics, means the motion in 1 and 2 dimensions, projectile motion, relative circular motion, and Newton's law, friction, work, energy and power, center of mass, linear momentum, collision, rotational motion, gravitation. These are the topics we are going to cover under the mechanics topic. And in the module 3 we are going to see properties of matter, elasticity, surface tension, viscosity, and fluid mechanics. And next is module 4, that is heat and thermodynamics. We are going to see the thermal expansion, calorimeter, calorimetry, kinetic theory of gases, thermodynamics, heat transfer. And next we are going to see in module 5 and 6. 5 is oscillation and waves, 6 is electrostatics. The well-known topics means Coulomb's law, electric potential, electric charges, electric fields and all. And next, yeah, so we are going to come to see the module 7, that is current, electricity, current, drift, velocity, Ohm's law, Kirchhoff law, Wheatstone bridge, meter bridge, potentiometers, and in which is followed by module 8, that is magnetism, how the charges are moving, how the magnetic fields acts, how Biot-Savart law and Ampere's law is going to held in this, and force on charge, force on current carrying charge, and about the conductor and torque in the coil, and magnetism and the meters for all the things. So these are the subtopics we are going to see under the topic of magnetism. And the final thing is module 9 and 10, that is electromagnetic induction, and we'll be seeing the alternating current and transformers. In module 10, that is optics. So we are going to see related to the senses, means the lens, the mirrors of the optical things, which we will be used for our eyes, that is ray optics, mirrors, lenses, optical instruments, and wave optics. And next, the modern module 11 and 12 is modern physics and experimental physics. Modern physics, it covers basic dual nature of matter, atom, nuclei and all. And in module 12 experimental physics, it covers the potentiometer, vernier caliper, screw gauge, and the experimental LS. These are the topics we are going to see in this module 12. And that's all about the syllabus of chemistry and physics under the NEET coaching. So for the year 2026 and 2037, so who are all the beginners who wants to learn from the depth to gain their knowledge widely, to give that complete thing in your NEET exam to crack this, you can join and subscribe my channel. And you can tell me, or if you want any topics to add it, you can ask. So that's all for this slides in the presentation. So this is the slogan, that dreams do not become reality by chance. We have to make a chance. They are earned through discipline and perseverance and the consistency what we are doing. And you are the journey to become a doctor starts with the choice you make today. Yeah. So hope that everyone will do subscribe and click a bell button on my YouTube channel. Yeah, thank you so much.